Who knew a stone could look this beautiful? Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. I'm Sulagna and today I'll be taking you with the creation process of this beautiful, soothing, elegant mandala rock. So this is a 6-inch mandala rock molded using premium gypsum. If you want to buy the rock, I supply them, and you can check out my email where you can place your order in my description. So, as you know, I start with the rings of dot of all the gradients of my color. Here I'm using a pink mixed with gray and lightening it using white and then creating a gradient. So I have done around 6 rings of dot in the center and micro dot for the very elegant intricate design. Then I have used the rhinestone. I have stick the rhinestone using tack it. Um, if you don't have, you can place your rhinestone and draw using your white charcoal pencil. And here it's a 6 inch, and I have taken a 16 sector stencil to do my grid mark using white charcoal pen. So I use so that you use those kinds of pencil which is easy to erase or it will not show in your artwork. Like once the art is finished, you can erase, wipe it out. If you don't have rhinestone, you can place that with a mirror, or else you can just color it with your pearl color highlighter color so that it can glaze. So now I'm going with every alternate um, side like line and going over like walking of dots and then the three dot and the swoosh technique. And the most important is like once your rings of dot has dried, you can highlight or make your dot more plumpy by giving it another round of dot. So here the major thing is go little bit down on your dotting tool so that the dot don't come out of the first circle. You can choose any color. You can go with the same color of the first dot, or you can do a shade of it. And if you like, you feel it difficult to go with each dot, only the first line of dots or the last one, the darker one, is sufficient enough. So however you feel, you can do your dot. If you don't like going over, it's not necessary, like you can just skip this process. Now I am going with my medium short bristle brush to do the swoosh. So here be gentle with like go very slow in doing the brush stroke. So dab it, like press it, and then lift your wrist to get the perfect line. Now I'm going with my highlighter color like white pearl to do the again walking up. So this design, the design what you have is as per like how much space you have. Like if you don't have that much space, you can avoid the walking up. If you have more space, you can do the walking up dot. Then I will go for another brush stroke from top to down. Like I cannot go because I have from down to top, I have very less space in between the first brush stroke. So here I'm going from the top to down to cover that gap in between the brush stroke. And if you love my video, I will like to read your feedbacks and what more design you want to see. If you want to know more about me, I have a podcast. So I have, like, you can know how I started my dot mandala journey, what inspired me, and how uh, uh, what is dot mandala and how I started my journey of dot mandala. You can listen to my yeah, listen to me in my podcast. So if you are not able to find me, you can go to my channel, then go to the podcast link, uh, soothing mandala talks. You can hear my podcast. And I am really like, if you love my work and want to see more, just give me a feedback so that I can know. It will encourage me to be more creative. And if you want your friends to learn this beautiful artwork, you can share this with your mandala friend. And if you want to learn one to one, you can connect with me. So here we are at the last. So I'm every the first design in the gap I went with the rhinestone and the walking of dots, and last I filled it with three dots, and in between the gap I went with the swoosh. Now once the rock is fully dried, I varnished it completely. Like, I use the wet wipes to erase out my grid marks, then varnished, and then once varnish is dried, I fix the rhinestone with the glue. And here it is, my mandala, elegant, beautiful mandala rock. Thank you.